GoToConnect combines VoIP calling, video conferencing, and team chat messaging into one flexible, user-friendly cloud communication platform. In addition to essential call management features like intelligent call routing, call forwarding, and unlimited extensions, GoToConnect integrates with top third-party business communication and collaboration applications, so all your favorite tools are accessible in one place. Built for small, medium-sized businesses and startups, GoToConnect is an ideal solution for businesses looking for a scalable phone system accessible on desktop and mobile devices, both inside and outside of the office. But is it right for you? This review covers GoToConnect features, pricing, and plans, user experience, and even additional GoTo products. Let's get right to it. We're first going to dive into GoToConnect's key features. The Dial Plan Editor is GoToConnect's call flow design tool, complete with intelligent call strategies, drag-and-drop call path editing, and customizable call rules. It makes setting up ring groups, auto attendance, and schedule-based call forwarding quick and painless. The Dial Plan Editor allows for greater, more flexible call control thanks to real-time call path editing and live call flow reporting. Customers will enjoy a personalized experience, higher first call resolution rates, and more self-service options. Admins can easily adjust dial plans on GoToConnect's desktop app. GoToConnect allows users to record an unlimited number of automated call menu options, greetings, and other messages that could help to guide inbound callers. These pre-recorded menu prompts let customers direct their own calls by entering or speaking their responses into the IVR system, often eliminating the need to speak to a live agent. If callers do require live agent assistance, predefined skills-based, relationship-based, and time-based routing strategies ensure they connect to the best available representative, one with the knowledge and training to solve their specific issue. In addition to increased first call resolution rates, greeting and auto attendance reduce hold times, lower call abandonment rates, and increase customer satisfaction. Pre-recorded messages are used for call queue greetings and wait time updates, company directories, voicemail greetings, automated bill payment, appointment confirmations, and more. While call monitoring lets admins review customer-agent interactions once a call is finished, real-time call monitoring gives managers an inside look into live calls as they happen. Call monitoring improves both the agent training process and the overall customer experience, highlighting common support requests, gaps in agent knowledge, customer service inconsistencies, and unparalleled insight into customer behavior and expectations. GoToConnect call monitoring has 4 different modes. First, there's Spy Mode, which allows the manager to listen to the call without interrupting and without informing either the agent or the caller. Second, we have Call Barge, which lets a manager take over or join a current call between an agent and a customer, allowing them to speak with authority on the issue at hand, correct the agent, or provide immediate assistance when needed. Third, we have Call Whisper, which allows a supervisor to join an active call between an agent and a customer, coaching the agent without the customer hearing what they're saying. Call Whisper is used primarily to train new agents or to review agent conversations if managers have received notification of lower performance statistics. And fourth, we have Presence Monitoring, which provides a bird's eye view of call center activity in real time, so agents and managers can see which are available on calls, away, or have entered Do Not Disturb mode. This gives time and optimizes available agents. All GoToConnect business phone system plans include HD video conferencing capabilities for up to 250 attendees and 25 simultaneous screens via GoToMeeting, a leading video conferencing platform. GoToConnect's video conferencing platform comes with some powerful features, including a new and updated screen sharing feature for desktop and mobile devices. There are several options for getting support from GoToConnect. Firstly, all users can access the GoToConnect online knowledge database, which is packed with step-by-step instructions, video tutorials, and answers to user frequently asked questions. The knowledge base is well organized, searchable by topic or article format, and uses bullets, charts, and screenshots to make the information easy to understand. The GoToConnect customer community, which is also available to all users, is an online forum where customers can create discussion topics, ask and answer each other's questions, check the GoTo service status, and make suggestions to GoTo developers. 24/7 customer support via phone is available to all GoToConnect customers, while the premium customers have access to 24/7 phone and email support. To connect with a live support agent via phone, customers can either call the support number directly to be placed in a general support queue or submit a contact form within the knowledge base to optimize the support routing process. All users can also access chat support with a live agent Monday through Friday from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. An automated support chatbot is available 24/7 on the GoToConnect website. The cheapest GoToConnect plan comes with only basic integrations like Outlook and Google Workspace. Integration capabilities increase with each pricing level, as shown on the table here. GoToConnect has a two-tier pricing structure with built-in volume discounts for a higher number of users. Monthly and annual pricing is available, with annual payment offering a discount of up to 11%. While the most affordable basic plan includes video conferencing, it has a meeting participant cap of under 10 and a meeting duration limit of under an hour. Basic users are also limited when it comes to the number of dial plans, call queues, ring groups, and auto-attendant recorded greetings. International calling is charged on a permanent basis. Call recording is not included, and only basic analytics are available. The mid-range price standard plan, the most popular option, offers unlimited users alongside an unlimited number of call queues, call routing paths, ring groups, dial plans, and auto attendance. The standard plan lets over 100 video conference participants meet for an unlimited amount of time. It also includes free international calling in over 50 countries, call recording, voicemail to email, virtual faxing, paging and intercom capabilities, and real-time analytics. GoToConnect includes features from other GoTo UCaaS and CCaaS products, such as GoTo Meeting and GoTo Contact Center. Depending on budget and business needs, purchasing a standalone GoTo product may be more ideal. Here's a quick look at some other GoTo products. GoTo Meeting is ideal for small and medium-sized businesses that only need a video conferencing solution, not an advanced business phone system. GoTo Meeting Professional, the most affordable plan, includes features like unlimited video meetings for over 100 participants, screen sharing, breakout rooms, and in-meeting chat with file sharing are already included in the GoToConnect standard plan. The mid-range business GoTo Meeting plan offers unlimited cloud recording, over 200 meeting participants, note-taking with smart assistants, and a meeting lock. The GoToConnect Enterprise plan lets users work directly with GoTo to connect a customized video meeting platform, provides a customer success manager, and offers agent onboarding and training. Pricing for the Enterprise plan is, however, unlisted. GoTo Room is a software and hardware bundle that turns any size room into a smart conference room. GoTo Room supports dual displays and can be integrated into any GoTo admin center for easy management. Customers can choose from Poly or Logitech hardware, though GoTo Room also supports third-party meeting software. GoTo Contact Center is designed for small and medium-sized businesses and offers two-tiered plans, Core and Complete. Features of the Core plan included in the GoToConnect Standard or Premium plans are IVR, call queues, call monitoring, and advanced analytics. But Facebook integration and web chat are only available with GoTo Contact Center. GoTo Training allows small and medium-sized businesses to create powerful, customized, and engaging training courses for employee onboarding and continuing education. Available features include integrated payment processing, live testing, mobile training, cloud recordings, analytics, recording, polling, and more. The Pro and Plus plans include extra features like breakout collaboration, certificates, and on-demand training content creation. GoToWebinar lets users host and customize live online events for up to 3,000 attendees, release pre-recorded webinars, and access event management and audience engagement tools. GoToWebinar has 4 different price tiers, mainly pertaining to the number of attendees. It also offers GoToWebinar Flex, which lets users host and pay for webinars on an individual basis. All plans include reporting and analytics, full service registration, automated emails, polls, handouts, Q&A, and a mobile app for Apple iOS and Android devices. Lower tier plans include features like recording, custom branding, and the ability to accept payment, while Pro and Enterprise plans include video editing, live streaming, unlimited cloud storage, source tracking, and more. Here are some of the pros and cons of GoToConnect based on our research and GoToConnect reviews. If you found this review informative, be sure to give it a like, smash that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell below to keep up with our journey to simplify the VoIP world. Till next time, this is Nate from Get VoIP.